Mic speech draft. Good morning everyone. Today marks the beginning of our new course on diesel systems, and we will start with the fundamentals of workplace safety. Safety is not just a rule, it is the foundation of every successful repair and maintenance activity. According to the health and safety policy, we must always wear personal protective equipment, inspect our tools before use, and remain aware of our surroundings. Fire extinguishers, first aid kits, and emergency exits must be known to all of us. By maintaining these safety measures, we protect ourselves, our colleagues, and the environment. Remember, a safe workplace is the first step toward mastering diesel injection pump maintenance. Let's continue. Low 1 to 1.1 safety measures are clearly maintained. Wrench main activities in 1.1. Wear personal protective equipment, PPE, such as helmets, safety glasses, gloves, and closed shoes. Inspect tools before use. Check that they are not damaged or faulty. Know the location of emergency equipment, like fire extinguishers and first aid kits. Avoid hazardous areas, such as places with exposed electricity or hot surfaces. Follow written safety instructions as provided by the workshop or company policy.